Craving the ultimate summer dessert? This glossy berry tart is incredibly easy and it holds its shape perfectly. But expect some delicious berry drops. Look how beautiful that slice is. Now let's jump backwards and make that effortless pastry crust from scratch. In a large bowl, combine your flour, sugar, a dash of vanilla essence, and cold cubed butter. Whisk one egg. Once your butter mixture looks like coarse crumbs, pour the egg right into and break it together. Bring it into a dough. Roll it out on a lightly floured surface and press into a glass baking dish graced with butter. No pie weights or freezer time needed, just poke the bottom thoroughly with a fork so it stays perfectly flat. Bake it for just 15 minutes at 190 Celsius, 375 Fahrenheit, and until beautiful golden. Let it cool and fill it up. While the tart shell cools down, let's prep the secret weapon. Mix 2 teaspoons of gelatin with cold water to bloom and set it aside. Into a fresh bowl goes the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and my favorite, Bourbon vanilla. Any vanilla works, but this one gives a premium flavor. Mix until completely smooth. Next to beat is the thick Greek yogurt. This adds a wonderful light tanginess to a cheesecake-like feeling. Check this granulated texture. That means that the gelatin is ready. Pop into a warm oven for a few minutes until it completely melts into a clear liquid. Make sure it doesn't get too hot. Stream the melted gelatin into your mixture and watch it turn incredibly glossy and luxurious. It looks absolutely delicious. Pour that smooth cream straight into your cooled pastry shell and smooth it out evenly. For the perfect clean slice, it needs to settle in the fridge for about 4 hours. For disclosure, I was too impatient and I cut mine early, but it still tastes incredible. Now for the fun part, slice up some fresh strawberries and scatter them on top along with your convenient frozen mixture berries for a beautiful pop of color. The gelatin holds the cream perfectly stable, while those juicy berries add the best saucy drip. It's rich, creamy, and packed with all the natural fruity goodness. Pour yourself a fresh cup of coffee because it's absolutely perfect for a summer fika. If you love easy, delicious home-baked recipes like this, consider subscribing and hitting the bell button. I post new recipes every single week. Enjoy!